Python looping through lists. I have a list called. There is more data in this list, but I kept it short. I am trying to iterate through this list and check to see if the word is only alphabetical characters. If this is true, append the word to a new list called. So far I have. For example, I am trying to put the word beagle into the list pet_labels, but skip 01125.jpg. See below. I am getting a attribute error. Attribute error, list object has no attribute isalpha. I am sure it has to do with me not iterating through the list properly.
It looks like you are trying to join alphabetical words in each sublist. A list comprehension would be effective here.
You have lists of lists, so the brute force method would be to nest loops. Like. Another option might be single for loop, but then slicing it.
Why not list comprehension? Only if not all alphabetical letters element is always at last.
Split returns lists, so word underscore list underscore pet underscore image itself contains lists, not plain words.
Yes.